How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to delete your Instagram messages from both sides permanently. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is simply open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now simply head over to your messages section by swiping left on your screen. So you'll land on your homepage right here on the messages. So tap on any message that you want to delete. So for example, if I just send a message here and then if you want to try to delete it from both sides, you'll just have to long press on the message. And if you just tap on the delete option, it will be deleted from one side only, but if you tap on this unsend option, then you can only delete it from both sides. So just tap on unsend and then tap on unsend again. Now it will be deleted from both sides. But if you have done this and long pressed on it and then tap on more, you only have an option to delete for you. You don't want to tap on this. The other person will still be able to see your message. So you just want to click on unsend to delete it from the both side. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.